A heated exchange erupts at the Senate's plenary hall as Senators Juan Miguel Zubiri and Alan Peter Cayetano trade barbs over the adoption of a resolution concerning Embo barangays. Before the session was adjourned on a Tuesday evening, September 24, the two senators take turns to air their sides. A resolution by Cayetano seeks to include 10 Embo barangays in the two legislative districts of Taguig and Pateros and confirm the increase in the number of councilors in each area for fair and equitable representation. Zubiri, for his part, questions why the measure would be tackled, noting that it was not in the daily agenda. According to the former Senate chief, he does not want to disenfranchise anyone, but he notes that the measure should go through the right process.
I don't know anything about this bill. Nothing. It just came out of the air. So this is a Senate concurrent resolution. This is not a simple resolution. I know it's a local issue and it's important to you guys. And I don't want to disenfranchise anyone. Ang akin lang sana, explain sana sa amin ano itong pag-usapan natin. Yun lang.
Zubiri later on apologizes over his demeanor, admitting that he was wrong for raising his voice at some point of the argument. Meanwhile, Cayetano explains he didn't want to risk not being able to discuss the measure. He deems the resolution as an issue of constitutional importance.
It's not just an emotional issue. It's not a local issue. It's an issue of constitutional importance, the ability for people to vote. The good Senator Zubiri said kung i-explain lang sa kanya, kaya nga ako lumapit sa kanya sa harap eh. Sabi ko, gusto mo explain? Sabi niya, bukas na. Sabi ko, I don't wanna take the risk. Nakita nyo naman yung mga ulan ngayon, kung bumagyo bukas at mag-adjourn tayo. So, walang taga-Embo na pwedeng tumakbong congressman, walang pwedeng bumoto.
Cayetano also apologizes to Zubiri for raising his voice as well. Later into the session, after a few more discussions, the Senate adopts Cayetano's measure.